to make and create scholarship resume on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to create a scholarship resume in less than 1 minute is go to canva.com, log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design and search for a resume right here in the search bar. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now go to this side and scroll all the way down until you find scholarship resume. Click on see all. Now choose a template, for example this one, and you can edit the informations easily. You can add your photo right here. You have many options as you can see. After you finish, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.